It's time for a magical unboxing with magic buttons. More product reviews. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So today's video we are going to talk about once again a Famicom clone. Yes people, it's time for some 8-bits. But this didn't come from China. Basically everything comes from China. But this one has been sent in by Magic Button to check it out, to test it out and to review here on the channel for you. Alright, so the game tech, the NeoFami, it's an flimsy, very flimsy, cheap version of a Famicom player. We're going to test it out. What are we going to get with this machine? Is it a good signal output? And let's do a little overview of the system itself. We have in here the power, reset, 2 controller ports, the slot where we can plug in our Famicom games, and at the back we are finding and DC in and AV out, mono sound. Some of these clones have double channel audio. If it's real double channel, who knows? Some of you say it's fake, but nevertheless, let's hook it up because I'm very curious what are we going to get. But first, let's see. It comes with controllers. There's no power supply and AV out cable. Very long and flimsy cable, but the controller. Seriously, I am impressed. And the shape itself, personally I really like it. It's way better than original Nintendo NES 8-bit system controllers over here. It's not bad at all. Got a very nice touch. Even have a slow or turbo function. Very cool. Very curious about it. So we're going to play some games. We're going to test it out and let's see what we're going to get. Woo! Let's go! Alright, let's see. Okay. You can see the interference in the screen. That is not normal, and I can tell you I've tried this multi-card with this game on different systems with this game. Whoa. The game plays, it sounds good, but it plays, but the D-pad is not bad at all. I like this controller. Whoa. Still a lot of glitches. Whoa, it's glitching out. So weird that sometimes the games just look normal. They work fine, but when you boot up the game, hey, this game works fine. That's really strange. Alright, so I tried to boot up the Turtle game. That basically works on every system from this point on. Only the NeoFami has a problem with it. Okay, that is really a bummer. Alright, let's try another Turtle game. Dee. Oh, that sound different. It's not normal. So strange that some games have big glitches, some games have very huge problems, but some games like this one just works fine. That makes no freaking sense. I'm guessing more like a compatibility issue. It really makes no sense at all. Oh, this one is glitching out too. Alright, so for the final conclusion of the NeoFami. I like this design. It's a really cute little Famicom player. I don't know if there are many of these Fami or NeoFami versions. But the question is, it has some problems. And what I think is very strange, not only with this card I'm using, but other games have some problems. Strangely, some games work fine and some are playing pretty horrible or glitching out. The controller, to be honest, I love this. It's so nice. The D-pad, as you can see, it's totally different. It's not the D-pad you see with your typical controllers. It even has a turbo function or a slow function. It's a very cheap, flimsy controller, but I like it. So yeah, the system itself, it sucks, but the controls are nice. So yeah, are you interested in weird, obscure or unique products? Don't forget to check out the Magic Button website. I'll leave a link in the description. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell for more awesome Wicked content. And if you like gaming, don't forget to check out the Wicked Gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye.